organs in 2000, year 2000, when we passed the bill in Abia State, creating the Bakasi boys. The law, that law is Abia State Vigilante Law 2000, aka Bakasi boys. Yes, most of my clients from that, my clients at Aba, then my chambers were at 1 Okigwe Road, Aba. My clients at Shoe Line, that is Bakasi line, most of my clients there, formed that Bakasi group. But then we had to get the states to regulate them. I remember I spoke to one of the members of House of Assembly that time, and then we had to present a bill in the House of Assembly in Abia State to pass the bill, the Bakasi bill, that is the Abia State Vigilante Group. In fact, there were two bills that time which I advised to be passed. One was this Bakasi bill, the other one was the one we did, the infrastructure